MJ, and I'm back with another great video for you. I hope you guys are keeping safe on this lockdown. I know some of y'all are like tired, bored in the house, bored, all that stuff. But I hope you guys are safe and healthy. But Rona, she needs to go. As you can see from the title of this video, I'm gonna be doing, finally, my room tour for 2020. Very aesthetic. I changed my aesthetic a little bit. I included pops of color. Everything is not neutral anymore, and I can deal with it. I don't feel overwhelmed. So let me back up into my new room because it's a whole vibe, baby. Let's get into this tour. So when you first enter my room, we have my lovely Peace Lily right here. She's flourishing. She's gorgeous. She is having new leaves. I'm really proud of her. I just have it on this stand right here. There's Thor just walking around because quarantine and we have nothing else to do. And then right here I have my record player, which I will link the video down below, you know, telling you details on it. But I absolutely love my record player. I have that little fake plant. I think the only fake plant I have in here. And then I have candles. Now I have candles all over my room. I just have Thor's little watering bowl right here because he likes to drink water in my room and in the living room and all over the house. So I just have one in here since he's always also in here as well. Up here I have a lovely artwork right here, also from Decenio. It says, ooh, the glare, okay, there. You don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just need to breathe, trust, let go, and see what happens. Literally my life, literally so true. And then if you scroll across, that door is just like my bathroom. No big deal, just my bathroom. And then from here, I have my little shelf right here, which has assortment of random things. I have, this is what I call like the gold section. So everything on here is somewhat gold or gold-like. I just have a bracelet. I have my cup that Selena got for me. It has like my constellation on there. I'm a Gemini, period. Then down here, I have one of my favorite candles burning. It is lemon meringue, and it's literally, I wish you guys could smell it through the freaking video because oh my god, it smells so good. Anyways, I just have a few of my perfumes there, and then I have like bracelets on here and necklaces. And then in here I have all my earwear. And then here, I haven't opened this yet. This is from Body J for You, and I'm gonna be trying these on in another video. Then I just have some sage right here. And then down here, I have like random things. There's literally hauls in the back, but I have mostly like makeup and my glasses right here, along with more candles, of course. And then down here, I have my hand that broke like literally recently, but I'm gonna get it fixed, so I just put it right there for safekeeping. I have my book where I write down everything that I'm grateful for every week. I try to go for every day, but that doesn't happen. But at least once a week I write what I'm grateful for, along with some other books that I write in as well. And then I just have a few of my handbags here. So over this corner here, I have a mirror, and I have where I store the rest of my makeup. Then I have this baby's breath. Now I got this from Selena like months. It at least has been almost a year, or not a year, maybe like 7-8 months or something like that. And it literally dried so beautifully, and they last forever. Like I've had this, I haven't done anything to it. And this is one of them right here. She's flawless, she's gorgeous, she's colorful, you know, she's just giving me good energy. And then I have like my little selfie mirror right here that's thrifted. Yeah, so let's move on over to the beautiful pothos plant right here. I absolutely am obsessed with her. She's just flourishing and growing and vining. And then we will get on to my bed. Now my bed, I try to keep it very simple. I normally have like a big comforter on here, but I've sent it to be dry cleaned. But I actually don't mind my bed. Hi Thor, just chilling. Okay, so anyways, I don't mind my bed like this. It's just like real simple. And down here we have my rug, my Moroccan rug, which I'm so super obsessed with. Love it. Let's go here. Now I bought a bean bag. Now it's not filled with beans, it's filled with styrofoam, like memory foam or whatever. So it's like super comfortable. I've fallen asleep in this so many times, it's crazy. And then I have this that I got at a thrift store, and it says bloom and grow forever, and I thought it was just wonderful. Now, not to skip anything, this is my oh wait, I have two more of my go-to bags right here. Will not be showing my closet, one, because it's a freaking mess, and two, this is going to be a separate video because I'm going to be redoing my actual closet and stuff like that. So that's just my closet right there. Let's just move on. Now it's such a beautiful day, guys. The birds are singing. It's wonderful. Let's see if you can hear them. I really hope you could hear that. But anyways, here I just have my curtains right here. Behind my curtains I have like this humidifier, and then I have like a glass globe, and then I have a little kitty cat right here. It's a candle holder, but I just like store my keys and coins and chains in there. I just throw that right there, and I just keep it on the sill right there. No big deal. And then I have another little seating. I have two of these. I bought these so long ago, maybe like 2 years ago, and they still look fine. I got them from Amazon, which was shocking. I have two of them right here. And then if we go across, we have Thor's bed. Now for this corner, which is right beside my bed, I have some artwork done by me. I did this artwork, and then I have like my remotes. These are for like my AC and for my lights. And then I have this eye mask thing that I got from Buffy, which was great because I also have their comforter, and I love their comforter. Then I have these lights. This thing right here, I got it from Dave & Buster because I got a lot of points. So I've had this for a while now, and when you turn it on, it's so beautiful. It lights up like that. I'll insert a clip of what I put on Instagram in the night. Yeah, so that's what that's looking like. Then I have another plant right here, plant that I bought, and it's been with me for like almost a year plus. I think this year is going to be 2 years, and it's not dead yet, guys. It is not freaking dead, okay? Cool points, me, period. This is called a ZZ plant, and it is literally the most like low maintenance plant ever. You can water it every 10 days or so, and literally it just thrives and it stays green the whole time. Never mind this little area right here. When I just bought it, Thor had chewed on it a little bit because I had it on the ground, but then he never chewed on it again. I guess he learned his lesson in terms of it tasted really bad, or I don't know, but he was fine. I didn't see anything wrong with him, but I moved it off the ground. Anyway, I just have some water right here that I always keep beside my bed because, you know, a bitch is thirsty at night. So I just keep that right here so I can just grab for it instead of walking all the way to the kitchen. Then I'm going to start from the ground up. I have this shelf area right here, I have this artwork that I've had like, oh my god, I don't know how long I've had this, maybe like 4 years. It says the power of imagination makes us infinite, and it's by John Muir, and I absolutely believe and love this statement. I just have some fake leaves that I was gonna do something with, but I changed my mind from IKEA, so I just have them there instead. Then if we go above here, we have another pothos. Now it's looking kind of droopy right now. I just watered it. It will spring back up in like a couple of hours, but this started off so small and this thing is flourishing, and this is like my OG baby right here. OG baby forever. Like, I love this because it was one of my first plants that I ever got. I got both of these at the same time, but this one is thriving, and I'm so, oh my god, you have no idea. I love her, love her. If I can, I will find a video or a picture or something to insert of the size that she was before that, and just look at that, beautiful. Anywho, then we have my little hourglass situation right here. I think this is like a 5-minute hourglass, so I just have it like that right there. And then I have another plant. I'm very new to this. It's called a dumb cane. It has another name, the actual name, but they call it a dumb cane. I'm very new to this plant, and it's very temperamental. I don't know how I feel about her yet, but I'm trying. She's shooting new leaves right here, which is awesome. It's a new bud right there, but for now we'll see. She's all right for now. Up here we have my arrowhead plant. This is one of my newer plants. It is so beautiful. The reason why it's called arrowheads, obviously, to me, I would say shapes like a heart, but I get it. The arrow, it's more of a heart, you know, more of an arrow than a heart, but either way. And it's having a new leaf right here. Like, I'm just so proud. Anyways, this right here is a little fountain situation that I turn on at night just to hear water going, and it turns blue. I'll insert a video of what it actually looks like at night. It's so beautiful, so peaceful. It sounds so good. Then over here, let's talk about this. This is a monstera leaf, a baby monstera. However, this thing right here, I didn't even know I could do this, but like, I got a cutting. Actually, my friend got a cutting. He, of course, abandoned the cutting. I was like, let me put it in water, because at that time I didn't know what soil I wanted to like use for it. I didn't know anything about it. So I was like, I know that they can thrive in water. Now I collect rainwater, so I just poured some rainwater in and I stuck it in. It only had 3 leaves on there. I cut one of them off because it was completely brown, and this was one of the original leaves. This one and this one. So it only had 2 when it started. All of these are new leaves that sprung. This is a new leaf, that's a new leaf, that's a new leaf, this is a new leaf, and this is a new leaf, and here comes another new leaf. So, and it's only in water. It has so much roots on it. I think I actually do need to actually buy soil and move it over, and I want it to climb because it's a climbing plant. Anyways, enough of that. Now up here, I just have some books that I have read. These are not all the books I've ever read in my life, but I have these with me. I have The Twilight. I love this book by Mark Palmer and Scott Scholar. This book is just like, you know, just everyday, like, it just tells you little things, right? But anyways, I have The New Moon, and then I have 50 Shades of Grey. Y'all know how that goes, you know. Okay, let me stop. So anyways, this is another artwork done by me, because the human form, especially the female form, is absolutely so beautiful. Every shape, size, color, you know what I'm saying, just beautiful. So that is what this was inspired by. And then this is another art. I'm not sure why it's showing up that color, but it's actually green. It's like from Decennial. Over here, I have this dream catcher macrame situation going on. right here on my windowsill. And then behind my curtain, I have this ivy plant situation right here. And then I have another cutting from a money tree, which is thriving. Let's just take her out. This took a while to actually root. My money tree, it got infected, and so it was dying. So this shoot was on the like root part. So instead of throwing out the whole plant, I cut this off, and then it finally started rooting after at least a month, I think. So I'm really proud of it. It actually got some new little focus there. How beautiful. New little leaves coming up, like right focus there. So I just keep it on the windowsill right now so it can get, like, you know, indirect light and fresh air and stuff like that. Anywho, guys, that is the video. If it is that you love this content and want to see more, go ahead and click on any of these 2 videos that are popping up on the screen right now. I will see you guys in the next video.